Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to design a microfluidic device quickly and effortlessly using FLUI'DEVICE. Before we jump in, let me tell you a bit about Eden Material, a division of Eden Tech. We specialize in providing complete microfluidic solutions to support you at every stage, from design to mass production. Here's how our tools can supercharge your workflow. FLUI'DEVICE. For fast and easy microfluidic designs. FLUIMold. Create molds with complex depths and sections for diverse applications. Epoxim Kit. Transform fragile SU8 molds into durable, heat-resistant epoxy molds. FlexDim, our innovative PDMS alternative, ideal for fast prototyping and scalable production. Sublim Machine, a 2-in-1 system for microfabrication and bonding. Now that you know a bit more about our ecosystem, let's get started. In this video, we'll design a Droplet Generator, a microfluidic device used in fields like drug delivery, diagnostics, and more. First, a quick overview. A droplet generator creates tiny droplets of one fluid within another immiscible fluid, forming emulsions. They're used in applications such as single-cell analysis, biomolecular encapsulation, and chemical reactions. With FLUI'DEVICE, designing a droplet generator is easy. Let me show you how. Check our other videos for more applications and our tutorial to learn more about FLUI'DEVICE. Projects in FLUI'DEVICE are organized for simplicity. Click the plus button to create a new project. Name it, and, if you'd like, add a description. When you start a new project, FLUI'DEVICE automatically generates a sketch called Sketch 1. You can rename it by right-clicking the name or using the top menu. To create a new sketch, just click the plus button or use the top menu. For this tutorial, I'm setting the dimensions to 300 micrometers height and 300 micrometers width, a larger device to showcase its features. FLUI'DEVICE has a library of components for microfluidic design. Start with a flow-focusing design. Use the template or create your own. The key component here is the shock loss block. A right-click on it reveals more details. Add the outlet, resize it using the input or by dragging. Snap it to the shock loss block. Insert an X channel and T junction. Resize and align them using the distribute center function. Snap them to the existing components. Add two 90-degree corners. Use the rotation or symmetry features for precise placement. Duplicate the corners. Copy-paste and snap them into position. Finish with two inlets. Add and position them to complete the design. Once the design is closed, the Calculate button will turn green. Click it to adjust fluid viscosity, flow rate, or inlet pressure. Run the simulation to view flow rates, pressure gradients, Reynolds numbers, and a detailed data table. Go back to the sketch and click Assembly. Choose either if you want to build a mold or a 3D device. Here we will do a device. Select your device and drag it onto the layout. Customize the layout and choose your connectors. At any point, click the 3D button to view your design dynamically. Rotate, zoom, or move the view using your mouse. When ready, export your design in STL format, compatible with most printer software. In the Assembly tab Export menu, you can also choose to include the substrate or not. And that's it! You've just designed a droplet generator using FLUI'DEVICE. Simple, fast, and efficient. If you enjoyed this tutorial, follow us on LinkedIn or X for updates. For more information about Eden Tech's products and projects, visit eden-microfluidics.com. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!